Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss something about kitchen tools. Those who are new to my channel, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm explaining the theory of food production, that is kitchen knowledge, in detail a chef should know. I'm explaining all this from the beginning and that too in detail, covering all the small points as well. Do watch it till the end, it will be really helpful to all you guys. Do hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family. So let's get started. Before starting this presentation, I just want to tell you guys that all the points that had been written in my presentation, that is in my slides, are just enough to all you guys to understand about these topics. As I'm making all these videos very carefully and try to cover each and every small point so that it will be much easier to all you guys to understood about the topic. Along with the practical knowledge, everyone out there should also know about the theoretical knowledge of the kitchen. So now we are going to discuss some general points on kitchen tools. The first point says that these equipments or the tools are used for the preparation as well as the pre-preparation of the food. Pre-preparation, which is known as mise en place in French. The next point says that their uses includes cutting, crushing, grating, mashing, grinding, mixing, measuring, straining, rolling, plating, and many more. So different types of tools have their different uses. So as you can see here in the picture, there are different types of tools shown in the picture. So all these tools we are going to discuss ahead in the presentation, and all these tools have their different uses. The next point says that each tool have the specific task, as we have just discussed now, that each tool in the kitchen has their specific task. The last point says that they are commonly made up of stainless steel. The number one and the most important tool which we are used in the kitchen are knives. So yes, the first tool in our list is also kitchen knives. First point under kitchen knife says that a kitchen knife is any knife that is used to do the basic food preparation, that is cutting, chopping, mincing, paring, etc. To know more about a chef knife, I had uploaded 4 different videos on my channel. In those videos, I explained the basic introduction of a knife followed by anatomy of a chef knife. Then I also explained different types of knives which are used in the kitchen. In total, there I explained 13 major knives and 6 specialty knives in total. All video links will be there in my description box. Go and check that out. Those videos will be really helpful to all you guys to understand about the basic knife and all the different types of knives that are there used in the kitchen. I also uploaded a video on how to sharpen a chef knife and different types of sharpening tools that are available in the market. A notification had just popped up in the I button on the top right corner of the screen. Go and check it out. Now coming back to the slide. The next point says that the different materials that are used in the kitchen knife blade are, so the first one is the carbon steel, then stainless steel, titanium, plastic, and the last one is high carbon stainless steel. The last point says that the different types of knives which are commonly used in the kitchen are, so different types of knives are discussed here, are written down here, which are chef knife, bread knife, palette knife, paring knife, cleaver, boning knife, butter knife, filling knife, utility knife, cheese knife, chestnut knife, tomato knife, etc. So I just share the link in my description box of the different types of knives that are available. So do check it out. It will be really helpful to all you guys to understand about the different types of knives that are used in the kitchen. The next one comes here are the wooden spoons. So the first point says that these are the commonly used for stirring sauces, soups, curries, gravies, casseroles, stews, etc. They may be flat or have a small dip in the middle. The dip helps us to transfer the food from the pot to a bowl. And the last point says that they are light in weight and also are insulated from the heat as they are made of wood. As you all can see in the picture, there are different types of wooden spoons displayed. Now the number 3 on our list are ladles. They are used to pour liquid from a vessel to a bowl, like soups, stews, curries. So these the liquid can be poured into the bowl with the help of these ladles. Second point says that a typical ladle has a long handle and a deep bowl at the end. As you all can see in the picture in the right hand side of your screen, there are different capacities and sizes of ladles are displayed. The last point says that they are usually made up of stainless steel alloys. So that's all for the day, guys. Today in total we had discussed 3 tools that are used in the kitchen. The number of the tools are endless, but we will be going to talk about some of the most commonly used kitchen tools. This is the first part of the kitchen tools and many more videos will be out soon. So stay tuned to my channel. I hope that this video will help you to increase your knowledge. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down if you still have any doubts, share it with all your friends and family, and for more such knowledge, keep watching What the Food. Bye bye.